G'day, it's Rob here again. Well, in that last video you would have seen me machining down that slug of aluminium that I melted with a wood fire, and it turned out like a nice piece of aluminium, really good, no defects at all really. It was pretty much a perfect job. Anyway, I'm using that for a project, and it's something I saw on eBay and I thought, that's really neat. I reckon I can make one of those, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make one of those. So I've got a little way down the track. Here's some of the aluminium, one piece, and it's you can see it's got little Allen keys there, 3 of them. It's got a centre hole, it's got a hole there, and then it's got 2 tiny little holes by each Allen key on the perimeter. That's one part of it. And here's the second part, and the second part is thicker. The second part is also recessed on the bottom. It's got a hole the same as that. It's got a centre hole. It's got 3 little Allen keys around the outside edge. It's got 3 holes. By each Allen key there's a hole. Tricky, eh? Now, these are some bolts I'm going to use. One's a flat-headed bolt, one's an Allen-headed bolt. That's the little key for the tiny little Allen keys. So this part's all done. The next part is a piece of that, piece of that. And then I'm going to get 2 more pieces, shorter pieces, out of this piece. This still has to be machined. So there you go. There's the clues. See if you can work out what I'm going to make. Will it work? Who knows? It should. Yeah, get your thinking caps on, and if you can figure this one out, you'll be doing pretty good. Okay, that's it. See you next time. Cheers.